It's time for another Math Homework Helpers Short. I'm Max, and I'm here with Mr. Tang. Mr. Tang, how are you?
I'm doing well, Max. How about yourself, bud?
I'm doing great. I can't believe it's already the fourth quarter in Baltimore County Public Schools. Woo!
Well, at least the weather's getting nice. Spring's here.
Good stuff.
Yeah.
So, Mr. Tang, what are we working on today?
Well, we're here with our kindergarten friends, and we're starting with Unit 7 stuff. So we're going to jump right in and review a little bit of addition and subtraction.
Ooh, nice.
Yeah. So the directions here on this home connection, which is fill it to 5, says add or subtract, and you could use counters, tens frames, or draw pictures if you wish.
I love pictures.
Okay, so
Best.
we could do some of that. So let's go ahead and get started here. We have a couple of addition questions, and then we have a few subtraction problems.
Okie dokies.
All right. So let's get started. You want to read that first one?
Sure. Solve each addition problem. 4 plus 1.
Okay, so do you want to use counters, 10 frames, or draw pictures? So boys and girls at home right now, if you're sitting here like, oh, I know the answer to this, that's great, and that's a great start. But what we really want to do is be able to review some of the different strategies that we've worked on this year.
Well, let's start with pictures.
All right, let's do a picture. What do you want to draw pictures of?
Balloons.
Balloons, that sounds great. Let's use orange.
Good color.
So we have 4 plus 1, right? So we can, in our heads, we're creating maybe a little story problem. If we have 4 balloons and Max gives me another one, right? That's 4 plus 1.
There you go.
So here's 1 balloon, 2 balloon, 3 balloon, 4 balloon, and Max is giving me a purple one for our buddy Ali, who's not here today.
Yeah, he's very purple.
He's probably out doing math somewhere else.
Probably.
So we have 4 that we're starting with, and we get 1 more, and that would be
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5. I love the way you counted all of them out, Max.
Yeah.
Great strategy. Okay. So we were able to draw pictures to solve our addition problem here.
Cool beans.
All right, so let's go ahead and erase that.
Oh, don't forget to put the answer down.
Yep.
All that balloon drawing.
True.
Got to get our money's worth out of it, man.
5. Okay.
Woohoo!
How about the next one? 5 plus 0. Which
Okay.
strategy you want? Counters, 10 frames, or more pictures?
Let's do 10 frames.
All right, let's use the 10 frame. So with the 10 frame is cool because we can draw in on a 10 frame, or we can use the counters on a 10 frame. So the cool thing about all the different manipulatives that we have is that you can use them in isolation, or you can use them together. Whatever makes sense to you. The biggest thing about math, especially in kindergarten right now at the end of the year, is how do we make sense of what we've learned this year to show that we actually truly know what we're talking about.
Yeah.
Okay. So do you want to draw in the 10 frame, or do you want to use our counters in the 10 frame?
Let's do in the 10 frame.
Okay. 5 plus 0. So if I draw one here, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. How much do we have to add to the 5 that we have?
Let's see. Wait, 0.
Nothing, right? 0 is nothing. So we have our answer here.
Oh.
The cool thing about the 10 frame is that we know that it's 2 rows of 5.
Mm-hmm.
So if we know we have 5, we could always just kind of fill in that row, right? And the more practice you get with this, the better the more comfortable you get with it, we'll be able to say, oh, I have 5. I know it's going to be the first row.
Totally.
Yeah.
You get real fast. Fast. Ha ha.
That's right, and that's the way we do things here.
Bam. All right, so let's do another one.
All right, let's do it.
So what was the other way? So we did pictures, 10 frame. What was the other way?
Using just the counters.
Oh, counter, like a kitchen counter?
Not quite a kitchen counter.
Oh.
Why are we not erasing here?
Mr. Tang, don't break the equipment, please.
Oh, there we go. I have to use my finger.
Oh, cool.
Okay, so let's just go ahead and use the counter. 0 plus 5.
Okay.
What do you know about that one?
Wait a minute. That's the same as 5 plus 0.
Yeah. So let's go ahead and put in 5 here.
You're using that invisible ink again.
It looks like it. Oh my goodness.
Woo! That is a 5.
All right, let's
Man.
leave it. I guess I'll put this pen down. We'll just use the finger.
Yeah,
All
nothing
right.
wrong with that.
So we have a big 5.
Yes.
As opposed to a little 5 here.
Same 5, though. Same
Okay.
5.
All right, moving on. 3 plus 2.
Let's do counters.
Let's use the counters. So we can use, let's go. I actually have these drag a copy, so I can
Ooh,
do that.
magic.
So we have 1, 2, 3.
Mm-hmm.
And then we're adding 2 to that. So we have 1, 2.
So we got 3 reds and 2 blues. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Yep. So let's go ahead and write 5.
Very good.
What do you know? Every answer was 5.
Can I also say, Mr. Tang, your 5s are looking very good.
Thanks.
I can tell you practice because
we've been
that was one of the
practicing.
things we'd worked on.
We've been practicing all year.
Yeah, I love it.
Hopefully, boys and girls, your 5s are looking pretty good too.
All right, so now we've done the addition. Time for some subtraction.
Okay, so here we're starting with 5 and then we're subtracting something from it, right?
Yep.
So first one is 5 minus 0. So the cool thing about subtraction is that you're always starting with your total and then you're taking something away.
Okie dokies.
So we can use our counters to start with 5.
I like how they're floating over there magically. Whoop. Whoop. Where's that sound effect coming from? It's not me. Okay, it's me.
All right, so 5 minus 0. So we have 5 starting with. We're taking away nothing.
Well-
How much do we have left with?
Oh, if you're not taking away anything, you still got what you got from the beginning. 5.
All right, that one was easy, huh?
Yeah, man.
All right, let's do the next one. 5 minus 4.
Okay, so you got your 5 counters already
We
in
have
there.
our 5 already here. And
So
we're
we-
taking away 4.
4 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4.
And how many are we left with?
Oh, just one all by itself. Oh, that's so
lonely-
sad.
A lonely red counter.
Oh, good. Now he's got friends again.
He's got
So 5 minus 4 is 1.
Right. All right, last one. We have 5. Again, we're starting with our 5. We're filling our 10 frame in with 5 counters.
Yep.
And we're taking away 2.
1, 2.
So then we count how many we have left.
1, 2, 3. 3 left. 5 minus 2 is 3.
There you go.
Oh, man, that was fun.
We didn't draw pictures here, but it was nice to be able to use the counters we already had set up, right?
Absolutely. Very cool.
Well, that's all we have for today, boys and girls.
All right. We hope you enjoyed this episode, everybody. Keep working on that math, and we'll see you again next time. Bye-bye, everybody. Bye-bye.
Math homework helpers, oh yeah!